Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you around all your site-wide reports found in the site admin dashboard. Keep in mind there are various course reports, but for this video we're just focusing in on the site-wide reports or the global reports. In order to access them, you're going to go to the site admin dashboard located over here on the left-hand navigation panel, and you're going to go to the third panel called Site Reports. The first type of report we're going to take a look at is overview reports, and we're going to go into the 360 overview dashboard. This gets you all the site-wide reports you need on one page, and you can also export all of these to different formats, whether it be a CSV, an Excel, or a PDF, and you can schedule email reports at any time intervals that you'd like. Type of reports in your 360 overview can be stuff like your active users, enrollment rates, your course completion rates. You can search all the course progress for all the courses on your site. If we scroll down, we can see our popular courses as well as the certificate stats. Things like real-time users, incredibly important, as well as site access information so you can deliver messages when your site is the most busy. You can also scroll down and get a daily's activity dashboard as well as an inactive users list. More so, you can also click on this button to drill down information a little bit further. And here I can see that there are 2 enrolled users in my learning and development course. I'm able to see exactly who those 2 users are. I can also see where these users are along the course, along with some course engagement statistics. And the nice thing about the 360 overview is if I have multiple branches, I can go and filter these reports by each branch. As I mentioned, you can also do email scheduling, where you can schedule reports, daily or weekly or monthly, or however long in between you would like. Bumping back out to the site reports overview screen, the next reports I'd like to talk about are the custom enterprise reporting. If you're not able to find the report you need via the default Pluto LMS reports, or you want to combine 2 of the native reports together, you can create custom reports to fill these gaps. The custom reporting tool works via SQL queries, and these API pulled reports, you can create filters on them and make these reports shareable amongst users with the relevant roles. The next set of reports I'm going to chat about are the auditing reports. In the view site logs section, you can view every single action that has taken place within your Pluto LMS instance. You can also filter these by various actions or by the user to know exactly what is happening on your site if ever you want to check the logs. Event monitoring is where you track key events on your LMS with email notifications. The type of events you can track are things like new users, course enrollments, new courses created, or even a user completing a course. You can get an email notification and an in-browser notification too. The next set of reports I'm going to touch on are machine learning models, where you can get intelligent insights into your LMS with automated machine learning reports at scale. You can see users at risk of not completing courses, you can track system generated insights, and you can generate learn reports. If I were to click on here, you can see some of the examples of the models that are already created. You can define the analysis interval, and you can go and execute an insights report, which will give you some statistics that will grow over time and learn from your users as they interact with the Pluto LMS site.